In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi A3X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Voice Recorder from Smart Mobi Tools developer. When it's ready, launch it. Hit continue. Tap on skip. Select accept and use this red button at the bottom to start. Hit continue again and tap on while using the app. Then allow. And finally, after a couple of seconds, recording is on. You can switch between audio and transcription over here. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To place a pin, click on the left one when recording is on. Type in whatever you want to or not at all and hit OK. To operate some available settings, click on those three sliders at the top right corner. Then manage them. If you want to, you can click on pause and then delete your recording right away by selecting this card on the left. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end and save your recording though, hit save on the right. Now tap on save at the top right corner. And as you can see, my recording was successfully created. To manage it, you can hold it and operate all of those options at the top, like rename, or for example share. You can also click on it to play it and manage all of those options here. If you wish to, you can tap on those three dots at the top right corner and operate all of those options as well, like delete or edit. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!